So today we will learn about sequence and series. Let's start with the topic. Name of our topic is sequence and series. Now before we go to the word problems and the formulas in sequence and series, first we should know what basically a sequence is. Okay? So our topic is sequence. Now a sequence is an ordered pair of numbers. Okay? List of numbers. Ordered list. Now these numbers are called terms or elements. These numbers are called terms or elements. Okay. So what is a sequence? A sequence is an ordered list of numbers. Now these numbers, they are called terms or elements. Now, can we take any set of numbers? No. It should follow a particular pattern. Okay. So that means these numbers should be taken according to a pattern. Okay, so we can take any ordered list of numbers. Those numbers are called terms or elements, and we have to take the numbers such that they follow any particular pattern. For example, a sequence of even numbers. Sequence of even numbers. What are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Now when you look at these numbers, you can see a pattern. What is that pattern? When you add 2 to the first number, the second number is 4. Again, when you add 2 to the second number, third number is 6. When you add 2 to the third number, fourth number is 8 and so on. So they follow a particular pattern. Now, look at the second example. Sequence of odd numbers. Okay. So, what are odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Again, when you look at these numbers, they follow the same pattern. What is the pattern? Adding 2 to the previous number will give the next odd number. Okay? If you add 2 to 1, you will get 3. 2 to 3, you will get 5. So they all follow a pattern. Now let's try one more example. Sequence of power of number. If I take 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on. Now when you look at these numbers, what can you see? First number is 1 square, second number 4, I can write this as 2 square, third number is 9, I can write this as 3 square, and 16 you can write as 4 square, 25 is 5 square and so on. Okay, so that means again they follow a particular pattern. So all these three examples are examples of a sequence. Now, if I want to know the general form of a sequence, general form. Okay. Suppose I take numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The first number is called A1. Second number is called A2. Third number is called A3. Fourth number is called A4. So what is the general form of a sequence? You can say A1, A2, A3, A4 up to AN. Okay. So this is a general form of a sequence. Now how many terms or how many elements are there in this general form of a sequence? What is the last number? Last number is AN. So that means we have n numbers or n terms, or you can say n elements in this sequence. Okay. Now this was just the introduction of sequence. Now name of our topic is sequence and series. So what is a series? Now we will look at series. Series. First write down any sequence. Suppose I write 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a sequence, right? Because when you add 1 to 1, you will get 2. When you add 1 to 2, you will get 3. When you add 1 to 3, you will get 4, and so on. Now, if I want to find the sum of any sequence, okay? Suppose I want to find the sum of this sequence. I want to find 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, what is the sum? 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. Now, this sum of sequence is called as series. Okay, so what is a series? Series is A1 plus A2 plus A3 up to AN. Okay. So, what is the general form of a sequence? A sequence is A1, A2, A3 up to AN. And what is a series? A series is first term plus second term plus third term up to n number of terms. So this was just the introduction of sequence and series. Now let's go into detail of sequence. We have two types of sequence. First is arithmetic sequence, or sometimes you say arithmetic progression. In the short form, you say AP. Okay? And the second type of sequence is geometric sequence, or you can say geometric progression, also known as GP. Okay, so we have two types of sequence, AP and GP. Let's start with AP. What is an AP? Arithmetic progression or sequence. In short, I will write AP. Now let's start with the general form. A1, A2, A3 up to AN. Now, how will you identify whether the sequence is AP or not? See, look at the first term. First term is A1, second term is A2, third term is A3. We have a term in AP which we call common difference. Okay? Common difference, short form we say D. Now, what is D equal to? This D is equal to second term minus first term. Okay? Remember this. D is equal to second term minus first term. Now, this is not necessary that you always have to take the first term and the second term. You can write D is also equal to A3 minus A2. Okay? Or you can say D is also equal to A4 minus A3. All are correct. Now let's see an example. Suppose I take sequence of even numbers. Okay? What are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8. Suppose I take only 4 terms. Now, what is the value of D? D is A2 minus A1. So, if this is my A1, this is my A2, this is my A3, this is my A4. Okay? So, what is D? D is second term minus first term. 4 minus 2, which is 2. Or you can say A3 minus A2. 6 minus 4, which is 2. Or A4 minus A3. 8 minus 6, which is 2. Now, if all the 3 answers are same, in this case I get 2, 2 and 2. That means this sequence is an AP. Okay? See, if I take another example, 1, 3, 4, 9. Find out D in this case. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. 9 minus 4 is 5. Now, in all the 3 cases, my answers are different. So that means this is not an AP. Okay? So this is a very simple way to identify whether your sequence is an AP or not an AP. Now, in AP, next very important formula which we have to learn is general formula. General formula, okay, of AP. Now, what is this formula? This formula says AN is A1 plus DN minus 1. Always remember this formula when you are doing AP. AN is A1 plus DN minus 1. Now, what is this AN? AN is my nth term. Okay? Nth term. A1 is my first term. D is my common difference. And N is the number of terms. Okay, let's try this with an example. Suppose I say 2, 4, 6, 8, dash, dash, dash. How many terms are given? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 terms are given. Suppose the question is find the 10th term. Okay, find the 10th term. Now, when I say first term, what do you write? You write A1. When I say second term, you write A2. And so on. Now the question is find the 10th term. That means you have to find A10. Okay, very easy. Use the formula. A10 is equal to A1. Okay, plus D. N minus 1. Now this N and this N are equal. So if I have to find 10th term, that means N is 10. Okay. Now just put in the values and it's very simple. A1 is your 2. What is my D? D is 4 minus 2, which is 2 times 10 minus 1. So this will be 2 plus 2 times 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 times 2, 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. So that means my 10th term, which is A10, is 20. Okay, so this was a very easy example of using general formula of an AP. Now we will try many more examples in my next video. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up.